Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're watching this video, this means that you like salted caramel sauce at least as much as I do. So if you want a guilt-free recipe, healthy version of a caramel sauce, let's do this easy and fast recipe together. So you need 2 cans of coconut cream. You need a kettle, and you should use for the gas cooker the medium to high flame because we would like to shimmer the coconut cream. Once we've added our coconut cream in our kettle, we should mix it really well for about 1 minute. Next, we are adding 200 grams of sweetener, which in my case is a mix of 150 grams of coconut sugar and 50 grams of erythritol. You can use less coconut sugar in your recipe, but I don't recommend to go below 50 grams. The other part of the sweetener, until 200 grams, it can be whatever sweetener you would like. But in order to obtain a really delicious caramel flavor, you need coconut sugar. Once we've added the sugar, we have to continuously stir so that our composition shimmers in a healthy manner, in the sense that we won't have any sugar left on the bottom of our kettle. After 30 minutes of stirring and shimmering, we add our salt and our baking soda that has the scope in creating our sauce very creamy. After we add these 2 ingredients, optional, we can add some vanilla extract, and we continuously stir for another 10 minutes when our sauce is ready, and we can let it cool. Once our sauce is completely cooled, we can store it in a glass container. It can stay up to 6 weeks with no problems. I already did a test and it successfully passed. This caramel sauce is so tasty and nice that you can use it for coffee, desserts, ice cream, or whatever cake you would like. If you try this recipe, please let a comment below the video and let me know how it went. I'm very curious to hear from you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!